So good morning to all. I hope you are all feeling well today. So before starting to my topic, motivation. So can all of you can tell me what motivates you the most? Regularly आप किस चीज से मोटिवेट होके आते हैं? तो सबसे एक आंसर तो आई एक्सपेक्ट. Starting with Daniel.
Food motivates me.
Yeah, good food.
Yeah.
What motivates you the most? Money.
Attendance for coming to college.
Okay, attendance. Pradeep.
Some kind of motivational reels.
You mean to say some reels or some videos?
Videos.
Yeah, videos and reels. Okay. Pavan? Friends. Like Akansha? Guilt about?
Everything. Life में कुछ तो सही करे.
So that motivates you. Okay. Shreya?
कॉलेज में बोले तो attendance.
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 So these are the things that you get motivated so that you get up roles and come to the college and to do your daily chores. So these are the scopes. Then the objective of the session is we'll get to know the concept and the meaning of motivation and how to identify motivation in an organization, various approaches of motivation and challenges of motivation. So, motivation. So, can anyone tell me what do you understand by motivation?
क्या सोच
Empower.
कि क्या सोच के वो कोई भी काम करते हैं like what makes them do something.
Oh, yeah. You are correct to what makes you come and do things. Like motivation refers to the way in which we urge, drive, desire, aspire, or need direct control or explain this behavior of a human being. It's basically a reason why we get in which way a human is working or doing something so that they can do or get their certain way to get their motivation. It is given by the Dalton E. M. C. Farland. So before that we see a video on motivation.
I need to know, who am I? Where do I belong? What the point is? Stop trying so hard to be something you're not. Like so many things, it is not what is outside, but what is inside that counts.
You must be imaginative, strong-hearted. You must try things that may not work. And you must not let anyone define your limits because of where you come from.
You gotta let go of that stuff in the past, because it just doesn't matter.
If you focus on what you've left behind, you will never be able to see what lies ahead. Look inside your heart.
The only thing that matters is what you choose to be now.
You don't decide who you are, you do.
Your only limit is your soul.
You are what you choose to be.
There's no one I'd rather be than me.
You've got greatness in you. Don't let fear stop you from doing the thing you love. Never, never give up. There is no secret ingredient. It's just you.
Thoda bahut you get motivated. So there is a concept of motivation in which we have two types. First is the intrinsic motivation, as its name is thoda sa similar to internal. Like what is the internal motivation? How do you get internally motivated? First is the inner satisfaction. How do you get inner satisfaction? Motivation is not about what you do. It's like for inner satisfaction, enjoyment of work. When you are satisfied with your work, you get motivated with that. Learning and growth. Personal fulfillment is also there. Next is the extrinsic motivation. This is external motivation. आपको motivation बाहर से कहाँ से मिल रही है? In this external rewards, किसी को bonuses मिल रहे हैं, you get motivated with that. Money and incentives, recognition and awards, promotion and growth. किसी भी आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम कर रहे हैं, आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, आपको उस चीज़ के लिए रिवॉर्ड किया जाता है, यू विल रिकॉग्नाइज फॉर दैट. These are the two types of motivation. Does anyone have doubt? Now we'll further move to the approaches. This is first approach, behavioral approach. Behavioral approach is basically how you behave in front of others. For example, it's basically this is the time which is right now February. We all know इस टाइम पे बोर्ड जा रहे हैं, 12th and 10th के बोर्ड आ रहे हैं. मे बी एक बच्चा पूरे साल नहीं पढ़ा हो, बट इस टाइम पे दे हैव सो मच ऑफ फेयर अबाउट देयर मार्क्स कि वो लोग एक दिन में सारा, उनको मोटिवेशन होता है कि भाई आज इतने टाइम में इतना काम कवर करना ही पड़ेगा, इतना सिलेबस कवर करेंगे तभी हम लोग इस बार पास हो सकते हैं बेसिकली. तो दैट इज देयर बिहेवियर अप्रोच इज दिस. Then there is cognitive approach. This is personal. What is your personal behavior? Personally, how do you perceive things in this? Like, what is your goal? What is like, आप किस goal से आप क्या काम करना चाह रहे हैं? That is cognitive approach. Then there is social learning approach. How do you socially get approach? Motivation from people. For example, हम लोग हम मैनेजर को देखते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम एन एम्प्लॉयर एंड वी सी अ मैनेजर. एक गेस्ट आता है, लाइक फॉर दी एलियंस पीपीटी हमने देखा कि एक गेस्ट आया, ही वॉज शाउटिंग एट द गेस्ट. तो हाउ डज अ मैनेजर अप्रोच टू दैट गेस्ट कि सर आई एम रियली सॉरी, विल लुक टू दिस ऑल द वर्डिंग्स दैट एम्प्लॉयर विल सी, कंपेयर एंड यूज फर्दर इन दिस टैकल पोजिशन. तो दैट इज सोशल अप्रोच कि वो कैसे उसको सोशली अपने आप को परसीव कर रहे हैं चीज़ें को. दैट इज सोशल अप्रोच. एम आई क्लियर? देन देयर आर नीड्स ऑफ मोटिवेशन. फर्स्ट इज द साइकोलॉजिकल नीड. साइकोलॉजिकल नीड इज अबाउट फॉर योर सेल्फ. आप कैसे अपनी
Physiological needs.
physiological needs, oh sorry, physiological needs. It's basically about your own needs. For you, हमें मोटिवेशन क्यों चाहिए? वी नीड मोटिवेशन फॉर फूड, फॉर शेल्टर. फिजियोलॉजिकली अगर हमारे पास, हम लोगों को खाना चाहिए, हमें काम करना पड़ेगा, वी नीड टू हैव दैट मोटिवेशन कि हमें खाना चाहिए, हमें शेल्टर चाहिए, तो नीड दैट. नेक्स्ट इज द सेफ्टी नीड्स. सेफ्टी नीड्स इज जॉब सिक्योरिटी. अगर आपके पास जॉब सिक्योरिटी नहीं होगी, आप रेगुलरली काम नहीं करेंगे, तो दैट इज वाई वी नीड सेफ्टी नीड्स. Next is the social needs. Social needs is you need friends. Friends नहीं होंगे आपके पास तो आपको लिए काम करना is very difficult in an organization. You will not be able to help by others too. Next is the esteem needs. Esteem needs is inner self. आपके पास अगर if you are not ready from inside कि आज मुझे ये काम नहीं करना, like for example आज किसी को क्लास नहीं आना, दैट पर्सन हैज डिसाइडेड कल कि आज नहीं जाना, तो वो उनके इनर सेल्फ से नहीं आएगा कि आज क्लास जाना है कि नहीं जाना है. दैट इज द नीड ऑफ द मोटिवेशन. सो बिफोर दैट लेट्स गो फॉर एन एक्टिविटी. आई विल आस्क एवरीवन one point. एज अ मैनेजर, लाइक यू ऑल बीन डूइंग नाउ MSc, now as a manager, what do you think, what are the things that a manager will do to motivate the other employees? I'll give you a minute and think about it. I'll repeat the question. As a manager, what will you do the things that will motivate your employees?
Reward them for their good work.
Let's start with you. Rewards.
कभी कभार जब कोई भी इवेंट होता है या कोई भी फेस्टिवल होता है, जैसे दिवाली हो गया, तो दे ऑर्गेनाइज, जो HR होता है वो ऑर्गेनाइज करता है काफ़ी कल्चरल इवेंट जस्ट टू मोटिवेट एम्प्लॉयज़ कि वो छुट्टी वाले दिन में काम कर ले, या वो
Cultural events.
कल्चरल इवेंट्स है.
Yeah. अच्छा
डिजाइनिंग ग्रोथ पाथवेज, मतलब इंडिविजुअल एम्प्लॉयज को दिखाना कि हाउ दे कैन ग्रो इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन द कमिंग ईयर्स, दैट इज मोटिवेटिंग.
इंडिविजुअल ग्रोथ के लिए
पाथवेज.
इंडिविजुअल पाथवेज. Fawad?
Team building activities.
Yeah. Team building activities are good point.
Thank you.
Next is Prateek.
So recognition like star of the month or star of the quarter.
Recognition. That's it.
So there should be no communication gap between the managers and the employees. If the
Communication
employees
gap.
communication gap.
The manager should be capable enough that he can solve both personal and professional problems if his team
Personal
has.
and professional.
Yes.
Separated. So you all are clear what are the roles of a manager in an organization that he has to do or she has to do, so that the employees that are in the industry should be get motivated every time. So we'll discuss it more. When an employees feel motivated, they work hard and innovate more and remain loyal to the company. It helps in improving the performances, higher job satisfaction, enhanced teamwork, and organizational growth. So these are the things that a manager has to do, that you have told me ki yes, these are the things to be done by the manager, so that there should be improved performances, higher job satisfaction, enhanced teamwork, and organizational growth. So there are some challenges. First is the generational differences in the motivation. Can anyone tell me what it could be?
लाइक अलग अलग लोगों को अलग अलग मोटिवेशन होता है. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो चीज़ को मैं मोटिवेट कर रही हूँ वो मुझे भी करेगी.
But it's generational.
Generation ऐसा होता है.
हाँ, ये 2 साल बड़ी है वो अलग.
Sir, we
अच्छा,
discussion is going on. Yeah. Generational का.
हाँ, तो जनरेशन में भी जो मुझसे 2 साल बड़ा है उसको अलग चीज़ मोटिवेट करेगी.
Exactly. And you were saying something like that.
जनरेशनल डिफरेंसेस में इफ यू कैन सी कि कई बार एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ये हो सकता है ना कि जो स्टाफ है मेजॉरिटी एक ओल्ड बड़ी एज का है और जो नए स्टाफ है उनको कंपैटिबल होने में दिक्कतें आती हैं.
Exactly. Sometimes thoughts doesn't match. किसी के job security matters, किसी के लिए growth matters. That is, अगर कुछ staff जो हैं that are like aged and they prefer कि उनको job security रहे rather than job instability. And for the new generation, they are like, we are more of growth oriented. So that means they have different motivational things. Cultural and regional variation. Can anyone tell me what can this be? Challenge? Why this is a challenge?
अलग अलग रीजन और अलग अलग कल्चर्स के हिसाब से भी अलग अलग मोटिवेशंस होता है.
Can you give
Like
me an
someone
example?
maybe celebrate Diwali, someone celebrates Eid.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, it could be a challenge for everyone. Like sometimes Christmas is a challenge for us. Like उस टाइम पे इतना सारा काम मिल जाएगा सबको, and people who doesn't celebrate, they'll be like, why we have to do this much of work? Budget limitation. Can anyone tell me why it is challenge for us?
Like sometimes the organization doesn't have enough budget to actually motivate. Like for those cultural events, they don't have that much of budget to fund the.
Exactly. I'll add on to this. Sometimes we give bonuses to the employees, but it's not possible कि हर किसी employee को देना. So it is only given to a particular person. So others get demotivated about that. So that is also a big challenge for us. Then there is sustaining motivation over time. Can anyone explain over here? Sustaining motivation over time.
in order to achieve long term goals, ऐसा हो सकता है कि during the time people might get demotivated.
Exactly, you are correct. Like थोड़ी टाइम के बाद we'll get demotivated. अगर हमारे को outcomes नहीं मिल रहे हैं, we'll start getting demotivated out of it. So before that, we'll do a rapid fire. So randomly anyone can answer. Like no one is going to judge what is your perception and what is not yours. Okay. So what will you choose in between two things? First will be high salary or job satisfaction.
High salary.
Job satisfaction.
Why?
कुछ टाइम में भी हो जाएगा.
I really want to know why.
Job satisfaction because at least you want to go to work every day.
Could be.
Money will also.
Money
Yeah,
will also
They say
encourage.
you work every day.
Respect over money.
Okay. That's okay. It's not being judged. So promotional title or learning new skills? You getting promotional title or learning new skills? It's a rapid fire, guys. Please.
Learning new skills.
Learning new skills. Anyone else? Promotional title or learning new skills?
आप तो कल promotion हुआ.
Promotional.
पैसा कमाना है.
पैसा कमाना है.
Reasons for the same?
Yeah.
Money.
So because
Money.
according to me, like मेरा है कि और चीजें सीख के मतलब expand करने के लिए अपनी knowledge.
लेकिन प्रमोशन भी होगा तो
पहले सीखोगे
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
तब
बढ़ेगी तो फिर भी
पहले
सीखना
But here it is just title.
It's just a rapid fire.
Nomenclature will vary. No, titling will be changed.
Yeah.
No stressing on the promotion thing here. Only title is going to be changed. Here, if you learn skills, eventually it will lead to you to promotion. So indirect.
लेकिन सर फिर तो प्रमोशन भी होगा तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ेगी तो सीख ही जाएंगे.
But उसमें सीखने में थोड़ा time taking रहेगा.
It's
उसको
other way
experience
around.
से
कुछ
सीखना.
लोग नहीं सीखते ना हर चीज से.
इसलिए तो question है.
ठीक है नेक्स्ट.
Next is the public recognition or personal growth.
Expose करूँगा सबको.
पर्सनल.
Public recognition or personal growth.
पर्सनल.
Personal growth. Everyone? No one for public recognition?
Celebrity बन के क्या करें?
Confidence.
Growth अच्छी होगी तो people
Confidence.
will
But some
also
people
recognize.
even take negative TRP for public recognition these days, so even that is being considered.
And here also this thing matters. Generational differences.
Yes.
The person who is like mid-aged or have crossed 50s, that definitely person would like to have.
Personal growth.
No, not personal growth.
Public.
Public
Public
he wants to have public.
They'll just recognize that they'll be happy if they'll be appreciated on a public forum. Instead, for the youngsters will be looking out for personal growth, like salary hike, promotion, such kind of things.
Next will be paid leave or career growth. You will choose paid leave or career growth.
Italy.
Paid leave,
करियर हो.
career growth. Will you not choose your paid leave घर जाने के लिए?
नहीं पेड लीव नहीं है, सिक लीव है, कैजुअल लीव बहुत
Leave से कम नहीं है.
Big brand company or position for new environment.
रिपीट करो.
Big brand company or position in
New company
new
या
company.
बड़ी company.
बड़ी कंपनी.
न्यू कंपनी बेसिकली अलाउ करती है काफी ग्रो करने के लिए,
हाँ.
एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. पुरानी कंपनीज में थोड़ा सा स्टैग्नेट हो जाता है. हाँ.
So you choose new company over that. Yeah. So thank you for the rapid fire, guys. So we'll conclude today. The motivation improves employee performance and productivity. Both extreme and strict and extreme factors influence behavior. Different approaches help manager motivate effectively. A motivated workforce leads to growth and job satisfaction. These are the references.
All you know.
Yeah.
There should be a variation of your. So there should be a variation of